Hello, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to make money using ChatGPT, and it's completely for free. First, let's head over to ChatGPT, an AI language model by OpenAI. It can do your homework, write emails and more, but today we're focusing on making money online in a specific way. You will start by opening a tool called kit.co. This platform allows you to build your own online store without having any products or inventory. It's completely free to set up an account. Once you're on kit.co, click the plus icon to create a new store. Here, you can add products from various websites. Even if you're not affiliated with those sites, you'll earn commissions when products are purchased from your store. Now think about what your store will focus on. For example, musical instruments. You could also consider other niches like toys, clothes, or equipment for specific hobbies or professions. We are going to build a store in Spanish, which is less competitive and can be more profitable for beginners. I don't speak Spanish, so I'll use ChatGPT to help me with that. Let's ask him for one word Spanish store name, ideas for a store that sells musical instruments. Once we have a few good options, we'll pick one that we like the most. Let's say we choose Melodia. Then go back to kit.co and set up your store with this name. After adding 10 to 15 products in your chosen language, you can view your store. It will display the name and all the products you've added. You can then start sharing your store's link, which is available on kit.co. It will display the name and all the products you've added. You can then start sharing your store's link, which is available on kit.co. To promote your store, head back to ChatGPT and ask it to write an article in Spanish, like a guide on choosing the right musical instruments. Use this article to drive traffic to your store. Once the article is ready, copy it. Next, go to medium.com, a platform visited by millions worldwide, where you can post articles in various languages. Create a new post and paste your Spanish article about musical instruments. Insert a call to action with your store link between the paragraph. This encourages the readers to visit your store. You can also share your Medium post on social media platforms to attract more visitors. You use Google Translate or ChatGPT to find relevant Spanish keywords for your article to reach the right audience. That's the gist of making money with AI and affiliate marketing. Remember, this is just one way to use AI for earning online. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.